Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the video.
Hi, my name is Linda and this is Tim, and this is our 68 SS Camaro. We've had it about 2 years.
3 years.
And then Tim's going to tell you what he's done with it.
So we took out the stock engine, we put a 383 stroker in it to give it a little bit of oomph. We changed the transmission in it, put headers on it, and power disc brakes in the front and back. And just try to make it keep original, but with also giving a little modern technology. So we're at the Irongate October Fest. It's the last car show of the year. You got cars from all over the Chicago suburbs and Chicago that come in. This condo is actually Craig Coburn's. All these beautiful Mustangs here are all his. He's got some really rare ones, vintage, and then also brand new, newer Mustang technology. So from the 60s to the 80s to 2000 and 2020. So.
And then what's your favorite?
My favorite is this one right here. It's the vintage 65. It's a GT. It's probably a $400,000 car minimum.
Only.
Yeah. So, yeah, only. When we got the car was pretty much restored, but the engine was just slow and tired. So rather than rebuild the engine, we decided to go modern technology, new engine, new transmission. Like I said earlier, some headers and the disc brakes, just so the car would stop well. The interior was pretty much done as mint, and so not a lot of metal work needed to be done. It was pretty much restored already.
And did Vanna White over there win all these awards?
Yes, she won.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Tell me about them.
So just different car shows. Some are judged car shows. Some are shows where it's, popular vote. Obviously, the judge shows are a lot tougher because they're scoring their car from paint to body to engine compartment to wheels to originality. So
I've loved Camaros ever since I was in high school. Always loved the 68, 69s. And Tim went ahead and found this car and surprised me with it. So that was amazing. So my favorite part of the car is going to be the body. Yeah. So, and not to mention the color, because blue is both of our favorite colors too. And it's stock.
And then we'll take a look at the interior. How many miles on the car,
No, because it's really hard to tell, because when they sell a car on title, it's obviously, since 1968, so it's over 100,000. But with the new engine, probably it's got 200 miles on it. So.
Thank you so much for having us. We appreciate it.
Have a great day. Appreciate it.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.